Alright, here's the part of the Hoover Dam. See the wall right there. That's it right there. Now we're coming to a stop.
Show the elevator going into the rock. Kurt Winslow house.
Elevator going to the rock. All these tourists. They were driving, so we're not going to be able to get as much good stuff as I'd like to. But you can see that sign right there says Nevada time, although...
Have to zoom in probably.
Yeah, I can't zoom, but... Hoover Dam. Now we're going right over the dam right now. This road goes right over.
We're on the dam now.
Yeah, we're on the dam. So this is the dam road right here. And somewhere around here we're changing states.
Right now.
Okay, now we're in Arizona.
Right there.
Yep, and we just changed up to Arizona. You can see the outline of where the water would be. And see Arizona time. But Arizona does not go to daylight savings time. They stay the same time all year long. And that's about it.